Hey guys, on today's adventures of what kind of a mess are we going to make next, I believe we're going to get into doing headlights. Pretty sure you can see a wee bit on the crusty side. I tune them up, about twice a year. I should do it a little more frequently, but yeah, I know there's a bunch of videos out there on well, what I'm about to show you, but I don't see anybody doing it my way. Yes, there's all kinds of kits and all that crap available, and most of it's just, well, crap. There's a very easy way of dealing with this. It just takes a little bit of time, a little perseverance, and a couple of the right tools. Anyway, I'm gonna set up here and we're gonna get into it, and yeah, maybe I learn you a thing or two, or at least half of what I know anyway. We'll go from there. Alright, step one here. Take your favorite cleaner. Mine just so happens to be window cleaner. And yeah, give her a little. Crusty. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just got to be, well, better than it was. Step two, prepare to make a mess. You're gonna need some tape. You're gonna need some paper. Yeah. And once you're finished, it should look pretty much something like that. This is just, you know what that is. Everybody's got this shit. Painter's tape, right? You know, just masking tape, but it's got the easy to remove, non-schmoo left behind, you know, kind of adhesive on it. So, yeah, need some painter's tape because it's very important for the next step. You definitely want the corners and edges of your paint protected, because next you're going to need one of these. And this is one area that my method is seemingly radically different from everyone else's. This is from Harbor Freight. It is not their headlight polishing kit. No, no, no. This is something way better. Whatever. There you go. That's what it is. I think you can see the item number there. What makes it special is this wool pad. You definitely want a wool pad for removing this kind of oxidation. Getting a nice polish on pretty much anything, be it paint or metals or plastics or, you know, anything. You need something that can cut, and a wool pad will do that. Now this will put, you know, super fine scratches in, and that's okay, because then you follow it up with a sponge pad, and this will pretty much put that high sheen, high luster finish on. And yeah, well, how about I stop talking and I'll start showing you. What we're going to use for polish is this stuff. I like it very much. 3M probably makes a slightly better product, but you're going to pay more for it, and I don't think it's going to ultimately end up giving you a better result. So I've brought these things back literally from the brink of death. Now it's just basically maintenance. It's been a good 6 months since I did them last. So yeah, we're going to tune them up here. You need a spinning thing, and this kit then naturally comes with everything else that you need. So I'm going to put the part A and part B together here, and we're going to get to making a mess. Safety is #1 priority, of course, of course. What I do, I apply the shmoo to the pad, and then, yeah, just start giving it. Low and slow. I'm pretty sure that's pretty shiny, but this is where I'm going to swap pads. Go to this jabber here. There should be enough residual shmoo on there. I shouldn't have to add any more, I think. Huh? What do you think? Not too bad, huh? Let's go a little closer, I guess. And yeah. So yeah, that's how I do it. I'm not saying it's the only way, but in my opinion, it's probably the best way. I see a lot of people sanding and clear coating, and oh, guys, you do that, you're just asking for a world of fucking hurt. It won't last. It's going to look worse than it did before. Once that clear coat starts getting chipped up and starts peeling and turns yellow, yeah, just no. Don't do it. this is how you do it. This is how I do it, I should say. And yeah, I'm not going to show you the other side. I'm going to finish off here, and we'll do one final glamour shot, and there you go. Alright guys, just figured we'd do one quick final show and tell, and wrap her up here, and yeah, move on with the day. I gave it a quick bath because, well, you saw, I'm sure you could see on camera, that stuff was slinging all over the place, the polish, and yeah, it makes a bit of a mess, but yeah, wash the car, you know. Yeah, pretty simple. But yeah, I think we got her. Shiny. I like it. I like it like that. Yeah, see, I actually missed some shmoo. See those white dots? Unless that, yeah, that's probably something else. I'm sorry. My bad. Yeah, well, pretty damn good, huh? Not too bad anyway. Shiny. Yeah, so I mean, you know, there's nothing to it but to do it. And you know, it's not expensive. You just need a couple basic things, and there you go. Boy, yeah. Now, for future reference, or for future maintenance, I should say, what you can do, and I mean, if you keep your stuff in a garage, I don't have one here personally, so I'm a little bit screwed. But you know, if you would every month, every 3 months, somewhere in that ballpark, you know, just rub it out by hand. Yeah, you know, you gotta rub it out. But you can maintain it. You don't have to get all messy with that. Just, you know, basic maintenance you can just simply do by hand. You don't need a drill. You don't need to make all that mess. You can just polish it, you know, once a month to once every 3 months, something like that. And you know, it's real easy to maintain. Or if you wait 6 months like I did, then you got a bit of a mess you're gonna make. And yeah, but hey, it cleans up nice, right? So there you go. That's the way you do it, or that's the way that I do it, and I recommend you follow my methodology, because, well, clearly the results are well, right there. All right, guys, I hope this was educational, and yeah, hey, thanks for hanging out. Cheers.